Hello guys, my name is Medy and welcome to my new video. This video we're gonna play some Brawanhalla. Okay, if you don't know what is Brawanhalla, you can watch it on other YouTubers. This is my first episode recording Brawanhalla, so I play it a bit and I buy this hero. I bought him for 7k. It's hard to buy, but I buy it and I level 5 with him. You can choose strength, dexterity, and base sense. I'm gonna choose strength, and I don't have any skin for this. And you can change color. I want basic colors, so let's. Okay, we have all green, and one Hattori. Okay, I will try to be that. First we need weapon. Oh, frame drop. First we need weapon. Okay, I pick up weapon. Oh, what a. Oh. No, Hattori. He knows to play. I'm literally new, and I played this game. 2 years ago, and I forgot to play, so yeah, I downloaded this week, so yeah, I need to back in form and play then. But I want to record this video now because I didn't record the 1 or 2 week. I have to do homework and I don't have time for recording, so yeah. Oh no. See, I have my powers with these pistols, and I have my, like, I don't know, for this I don't know, this I have cool powers with them, and yeah, you have bombs too, and you can plant a bomb and drop this basic bomb and kill someone. Yeah, you can try this game. It's on Steam, it's free, and you can download it and play with your friends. It's really fun, and play with your friends. When you play with your friends or versus your friends, it's really fun too. And this game has a single player mode, so when you can train your skills and be better. Oh, as you can see, I have 3 lives. This is the mode when you kill someone, you get 1 life. So I need to kill somebody. Oh, I think no, it's back. You control your weapon too. See? Wait. Yeah, like this. And that's special powers. And you have like these powers, these. This is special powers when you're holding right leg. This is really special powers who done so much damage. As you can see, he used his superpower and he killed me. And as you can see in top left, you have your health and lives. As you can see, I have 2 lives, and oh, I hit him. And if I die, I will lose one life. It's not a strategy game. And he has a ranked. We'll play a ranked. We're gonna play a ranked in this video. And I will try to beat up. I have I think 100 and no 1,000 and 200. Yeah, I have that much. Or I have higher, but I don't know. I don't know really. So what I mean to say, I'm oh no, I don't have something special to comment to, but it's okay. Oh, I kill him. Let me show my weapon, and oh yeah, I hit him. Oh no. As you can see, if you click Z, you do this, and like when someone uses his special power, you can click Z and dodge it. Okay, game's end. I'm Toad. His guy is first place. I'm third place. Hathor is third place, and Algrim is fourth place. Okay, GG, good game, and yeah, we're gonna now play some ranked. 1v1, and let's choose random. I got brain. Not too bad, not too bad. We play versus Ryan, and I don't know how much I'm recording. I think 7 minutes or 6, but I want to this video be long of 20 minutes, and yeah, I want to back you off when I'm done recording, and I want to change my channel name. I want to change my channel name, but when you search Medy in here, just in browser on YouTube, you don't find my channel. So actually, someone's used my name, and I will change name to Landy, but it's like a girl name. But look here, look here. To me, it's good, and it's original name. Oh no, as we see, this guy, it's some kind of pro. Oh, and no, I missed him. Oh, he gonna, no, he gonna back. As you can, I got first strike on him, and I have left 3 lives. As you can see, I gonna try to kill him. When I have red, like red health, as you can see, he can easily drop me off the map, and when you drop off the map, you will lose your life. And yeah, I will try to beat up him. Don't dying. Oh no, he gonna back. Goodbye. 8 minutes. Okay. He killed me, so I have 2 lives left, and he has 1. So actually, I think I'm gonna win. I'm not pretty good at this game, as you can see. But I just want to record. I wanted to record this game. Sorry for bad English, because I'm not from America and I'm from Serbia, as you can see, and I want to speak English, but yeah, I didn't have other channel. This is my first channel ever created, and I wanted to record in English. I don't know, but it's fun. When you record, I want to smile you all. Just I want to smile you. That's my dream on YouTube. I don't care about popularity. I want to just to smile you, as you can see. And yeah, what I need to say more? I don't have some commentary at this video, but it's okay. Yeah, comment down below if you want. I play some games from Xbox. I have Xbox, and I already recorded 1 game, but first 10 episodes don't upload it, and I will record the 11th, but I will try to record the 11th, but I didn't know he gonna upload or not, but I gonna record it, and I gonna don't steal. I will see what I do in first 10 episodes, and it's Naruto game. It's Naruto Shippuden Ultimate Ninja Storm 3 full brass, and It's a really good game, but it's you can play it on PC, but it's harder. I have Xbox, so I play it on Xbox, and yeah. Let me try. No. Oh. Let. Uh, when this game ends, I want to see my elo. Oh no. I think he's gonna win. I think he's gonna win. Oh no. Oh. Oh. No, 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 no. No, no. I don't think you're gonna win. Oh, no. Okay, he's died. Okay, we win this ranked game, and I recorded 10 minutes, so I say I want 20 minutes. Yeah, my elo is now 1228. You have characters elo, hero elo. And I'm best elo with next. So yeah, we're gonna play next, and I don't know what more to say. Don't. Okay. I have strength mastery, so I think I'm gonna beat him up. But I will say I play bad, and what he's doing. Oh, he plays bad too. I now see. Oh, he don't play bad. He play better than me. Sorry, sorry, sorry. Oh my gosh, he knows to play like a diamond. I'm in bronze, literally. So yeah, I want to bet up to a diamond, but it's hard. It's you need 2,000 elo to get to the diamond, and I only have 1,228. And but I will try to get up to the diamond in like 2 or 3 months. But all it's hard because look these players, and I need to train. So and yeah, I will record. I recorded the forest, and some episodes don't record. First 5 episodes don't upload. And I recorded with I don't know. I mean with dexterity, or I don't know. First 10 episodes didn't upload, and I see. I will record with action and his work, and I delete that episode. That's be so 3 minutes, and yeah, I will record now. Now the forest, and yeah, and I have so much stuff in the forest, so don't call me hacker. I say I recorded first 5 episodes, 6, 7, and they didn't upload like Naruto. So I will upload this episode now and go to record the forest and try to edit so much to be okay. I hear them. No, to be funner. I will my voice. It's I have a really bad microphone, so I want to edit that sound. Okay, we lose, and I'm gonna play one more ranked, and yeah, and I will record Sniper Light 2. I download it now. I'm gonna play Valhalla. I will play that soon. Okay, I think we're fighting to this guy again. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's my friend's. This is my friend's favorite map. They are. You can do towns and much more. Oh, I have first hit on them. No, no. Oh, I hit him. He's not bad. He's not bad, but oh, he's too good, but it's not too bad. Like me, he's playing like me, and yeah. What more to say? Nothing to say here. What I need to say, but I don't know. I think I will gonna have music this video, but I didn't know. I will see him when I upload it. Oh no. These guys spam returns. No. Oh, I hit him. Oh no. No, 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 no. Let me try to hit him with bomb. Ah, damn. No. Oh, back off, back off. So if you sound the keyboard, and yeah, what do you want to say? I'm concentrating now. Oh, sorry, that's my phone. If you sound it, that's my phone. Sorry about that. I will turn on sound. Let me turn off sound of my phone. Oh, I can't now. I can't. Let me try. Oh, I get this guy to the trap. No, I had 2 lives left. So no. Okay. Okay. My phone's turned off, so now I can play. Oh, as you can see, if you plant that mine, you will literally go bomb bomb, and oh, I hit him. Oh, let me try. No. Oh, oh, yes, I hit him. Hit him, and here. No, don't fall off the platform. No, 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 spammer. Oh, yes, I get him. Huh, huh, huh. No. No, you don't gonna win. I will win. Sorry, but I will. No. No, he hit me. Again, really? I think he's gonna win. Yeah, he'll definitely win. Oh, yes, I win. Oh yeah. I think I will end the video here. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, share and subscribe. See you next video. Bye.